Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M54, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this device. So to get started, you will want to swipe down from the top of the screen twice, and then click on the screen recording button right over here. Choose what kind of sound you want to record from the three options, and also if you want to record the touches that you do to the display, and then select start recording. You can also skip the countdown. Now whatever you'll do right now will be recorded by the device, and once you're done recording you can click on the square right here to stop it. This will automatically save it to your device, and you can find that recording either in Photos application from Google or Gallery application from Samsung. So I'm going to open that one up, and typically it would be located in the Photos tab where you can see your screen recording, screenshots and all that stuff, but later on down the line it might be easier to navigate into albums. And in here we are looking for, okay, never mind, we're not gonna see it here. Oh, there we go. So if you navigate right here to view all, you can see we have a screen recording album, and in here you'll find strictly screen recordings and nothing else. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.